UNRWA has stated that 1 million displaced persons in Gaza are at risk of death due to the winter cold in light of the ongoing war of genocide. This comes as occupation forces continue to target hospitals and medical staff, including strikes on El Auda, El Indonesian and Kamala Adwan hospitals. One Palestinian has been killed and others were injured after the Israeli occupation forces bombed a group of civilians in Palestinian Rafah city. Palestinian media also reported that a number of people were also injured in an occupation raid that targeted a residential apartment in the Nusrayat camp in central Gaza. Israeli occupation forces have detained at least 16 Palestinians from various areas of the West Bank since yesterday evening. Palestinian media reported that the detainees included a woman. This latest wave of detentions brought the total number of Palestinians detained from the West Bank and Jerusalem to over 11,900 since the 7th of October. UNRWA Commissioner General Philippe Lazarani has said that the organization is trying to prevent Gaza's children from becoming a lost generation amid the ongoing humanitarian crisis. Lazzarini called for a ceasefire in Gaza as a crucial step to restoring educational facilities. He also noted that the escalation in Lebanon has affected the education of Palestinian refugees. He added that the escalation in Lebanon has disrupted the school year for Palestinian refugees, affecting education services that the agency has provided for decades. Israeli occupation forces have raided the city of Tubas. Local sources reported that the undercover special forces infiltrated the city and raided a shop on the main street, while soldiers fired smoke bombs in the area. The occupation forces then sent military reinforcements from a checkpoint towards the city. Several Palestinians have been killed and others were injured after Israeli occupation forces bombed the school housing displaced people in Jabalia camp in northern Gaza. Palestinian media also reported that the occupation air force targeted a residential area in the vicinity of Kamala Adwan hospital. Gaza-based health authorities reported that the Palestinian death toll from the Israeli onslaught since October the 7th has risen to over 44,700, with more than 106,100 injured. They added that the Israeli occupation forces committed 3 massacres against families in the Gaza Strip over the past 24 hours, killing at least 50 Palestinians and injuring of 84 others.